Today I'm on Bee Swarm Simulator. I'll put that name in my description. But I don't even... Oh, shoot. Guys, I can't do that. I just forgot. That's how I put something in my description. It was like 1 month ago. And now I forgot how to put stuff in my description. So I'll have a little go on trying to do that. But I might. If it's not there, I don't know how to do it. But guys, let's do this black bear. Talk to black bear. Oh, I'd said let's talk to this black bear, and then it's just called black bear. Right, you look like a promising new honeymaker. Yeah. How do you look at your quest? Wait, there's something. Quest. Collect 100 pollen from the sunflower field. Where is the sunflower? Shoot. Well, is this the one? Let's see. That's not the sunflower one. This has to be it because that's sunflowers there. You know what we have to do is wait. Wait, don't you have to have bees? Well, I need bees, so yeah. What does it need that here? Maybe I'll do another video on this, and then I'll make it about doing these quests. I hear a lot. I am the gangster. Let's go to Black Bear. Jeez, this guy has lots of good pets. I want to be like that one day. I'm probably am going to be like that one day. Right, guys, I just figured out something is right there, so I'm going to get that after this. Yeah. Oh, need to... Yeah. Get it. Right, collect 250 pounds from the dandelion field. What's he at? Is he any like eggs? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, need them eggs. Basic bee. Where's the dandelion field? Oh, there it is. I know dandelion fields. There's like, I don't really know where it is. There. Wait, didn't I play this game a year ago? I think I remember. It's down there, isn't it? It's down here. Then you go down here. Oh yeah, by the way, no secret. There's a secret down there. Hello, ticket. Your ticket's gone. Oh hell no. Hey, do we have a bee anywhere? I'm running. Run, dun, oh wait, what am I quest? Wait, that's not the dandelion. What is the dandelion field then? Right. Well, I'm waiting until the speeders kills it. Yay. Well, let's get the honey. Where was the dandelion field? What? Is it down here? Hi, let's go to my base. And then I'm going to figure out where that dandelion field is. Go to my base, Make that honey. Let me just wait. No, it's done. Wait, what? It's still doing it. What? Oh, I still got money. Right, dandelion, where are you? Dandelions. Dandelions, are you here? By the way, how do you get eggs? Let's figure that out, how? Who cares about an egg? Who cares about an egg? I can still do black bear quests. This out. Oh, what's the dandelion field? Need dandelions here. It looks like the Mushroom Kingdom here. What? Is this the dandelion field? Oh, this is the dandelion field. Waiting, waiting, what the waiting? Got it. I'm good. I need to get it. Hi. Where is my bee? Wonder. Why's my bee there in the hive? Oh, I think they have to sleep in it. I think they have to sleep. Well, bee, you have to wake up because I'm. Oh, hi, bee. Waiting again. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Is this what you have? Is this what you have to do? Just go back, go back, go back. And we're doing one random one. And I'm gonna shop. Go to the shop. I need to go to the shop to get more better stuff. I have 920. And I'm gonna spend it. Hi noob, a noob bear. Open. Wait. This, I've got those. How much money is it? 800. I only got 700. Yes, go get it, go get it, go get it. Right, yay, talk to Black Bear again. Dandelion indeed. Right, let's go to Black Bear. What did I get from this, eh? Oh, I only got that much. I expected better stuff. What am I gonna get? Just collect 500 pollen. Okay. I'll just collect it from this place. Waiting again. One day, I'm gonna be up there getting them red ones, the red ones. I am. What it says in the description, one treat from Dandelion Field. Received dry. My pollen is 200. And I should have done this good. I have to wait, I have to wait, I have to wait. I took like 20 seconds to do that. Guys, the last quest, this. And then I'm done. Right, who cares? Next time I'm probably gonna do like another video that I've not figured out what I want to do. I don't even know what to do in the other video. But guys, almost the end of the video, yeah. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Oh, good. I'm not waiting anymore. 520. Well, this red pollen, but guys, it's the end of the video. I'll do that, but in the bit. I'll do this quest in the bit. Yeah. Right. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. Guys, it's the end of the video. Have a nice day. And goodbye. What's that? Wait, can I just do something? Hurry before the video ends! Hurry! Send a like!